Welcome to our special skincare series. In today's video, we'll unveil the secret of anti-aging face oil recipe achieving bright, wrinkle-free skin, all from the comfort of your home. Are you looking to rejuvenate your skin and restore its youthful glow without spending a fortune on commercial skincare products? Join us in this exciting video where we delve into the world of natural beauty with an easy-to-make DIY anti-aging oil. Unlock the fountain of youth with our DIY anti-aging oil recipe. Discover the power of flaxseed and other natural ingredients to nourish, hydrate, and rejuvenate your skin. Watch now and unveil the secrets to youthful, radiant skin that defies the signs of aging. This potent blend combines the nourishing powers of flaxseed powder, coffee powder, coconut oil, olive oil, green tea, and vitamin E oil, each known for their incredible skin benefits. Now, let's dive into ingredients, preparation, benefits of the anti-aging homemade oil. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons flaxseed powder, 104 cup olive oil, 1/4 cup coconut oil, 2 tablespoons brewed green tea, cooled, 1 tablespoon coffee powder, finely ground, 5-6 drops vitamin E oil. Preparation: 1. Prepare flaxseed powder. Grind flax seeds into a fine powder using a grinder or food processor. 2. Brew green tea. Steep green tea in hot water for a few minutes, then let it cool to room temperature. 3. Mix ingredients. In a clean glass jar or container, combine the flaxseed powder, olive oil, coconut oil, brewed green tea, coffee powder, and vitamin E oil. Stir well to ensure all ingredients are thoroughly mixed. Apply a few drops to clean skin and gently massage in circular motions until absorbed. Use daily for best results. Benefits: 1. Flaxseed powder, rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Flaxseed powder helps to improve skin elasticity, reduce inflammation, and promote collagen production, thus reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, resulting in a more youthful and radiant complexion when incorporated into anti-aging oil formulations. 2. Olive oil. Olive oil is a key ingredient in anti-aging oil formulations due to its rich content of antioxidants, vitamins, and fatty acids. Olive oil is a natural moisturizer that hydrates the skin and provides essential nutrients, antioxidants, and vitamins. It helps to soften and smooth the skin, reducing the visibility of wrinkles and pigmentation. 3. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is highly beneficial in the preparation of anti-aging oil due to its rich composition of medium-chain fatty acids, including lauric acid, which possesses antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. It deeply moisturizes the skin, helping to improve hydration and maintain the skin's natural barrier function. Coconut oil also contains antioxidants that protect against oxidative stress, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Additionally, its nourishing properties promote skin elasticity, leaving the skin looking smoother and more youthful when incorporated into anti-aging oil formulations. 4. Green tea. Green tea is a valuable ingredient in anti-aging oil formulations due to its high concentration of polyphenols, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which are potent antioxidants. Antioxidants help to neutralize free radicals, preventing oxidative damage to the skin and reducing the signs of aging, such as fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce redness and irritation associated with pigmentation, promoting a more youthful and radiant complexion when incorporated into anti-aging oil preparations. 5. Coffee powder. Coffee powder contains caffeine, which can help to improve blood circulation, reduce puffiness, and even out skin tone. Its exfoliating properties help to remove dead skin cells and reveal brighter, smoother skin. 6. Vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect the skin from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. It promotes skin repair, reduces inflammation, and fades dark spots and pigmentation. Massage a few drops of this homemade oil onto clean, dry skin using gentle circular motions. Focus on areas with wrinkles, fine lines, and pigmentation. Use it as a part of your nightly skincare routine, allowing the oil to absorb into the skin overnight. Whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin, this natural remedy is designed for all skin types. After applying our DIY anti-aging oil recipe, you will experience a transformative difference in your skin. Enjoy improved hydration, reduced wrinkles, enhanced elasticity, and a radiant glow. Embrace the secrets to youthful, rejuvenated skin and radiate timeless beauty every day. Share this video with friends or family who might love this DIY recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural beauty recipes. Your feedback helps us improve and continue providing valuable content. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe more health and beauty tips.